Welcome to the Cooking Dad 242 and family. Today I'm making red beans and coconut rice. So good. Now it's time to dice some onions up. Two things always make me cry, and that's my children and onions, of course. Ho ho. Okay, I'm done. Okay, add some vegetable oil, corn oil, any oil you prefer, it doesn't matter. Cook the onions until it's translucent. Add 1 teaspoon of thyme. Two tablespoons of tomato paste. And 1 tablespoon of browning. Just to give it a brown color. Alright, stir it up. Now, red kidney beans and coconut milk. If you don't have that, just use red beans or any beans you like, and use coconut cream. So good with rice. Oh, so good. Alright, stir it up. Now I'm adding some salt. At least I think it's 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon. Add 3 cups of white rice. I like long grain rice. It's much better. Now I'm not adding the water now. I want the rice toast up a little bit before I add the water. Give it a nice flavor. Alright. Now I'm adding 3 cups of water. 3 cups. Just mix it up, make sure everything is there. Oh, so good. I love these made food, boy. Wow, so yummy. It's not done yet. It's still a little hot, so I'm gonna let the steam cook it. Now I'm adding some cabbage. I want to add some crunchiness to it. It's really good. Just mix up a little bit and put your pot cover right back. Alright, there you go. You can know when it's finished because it's more fluffy. So good. It's not soggy. It's also not hard. It's just right. Look at that. There you go. Put some regular, make it look fancy. Look at that, so good. Oh, awesome guys. Thanks for watching the Cooking at 242. See you in the next one.